What do you wish people knew about farming?
Wish they knew how diverse it was.
I wish they knew how wholesome and connected it can be.
How did you find Sanctuary Farms?
I just ran into Brother John at a mushroom workshop. We got to chopping him up about collective liberation and growing food, and now here you are. You find me 2 years later.
How do you all contribute to the success of Sanctuary Farms?
By trying to help build new systems and just spend a lot of time, love, and labor.
I can boil it down to 2 words, like presence and patience.
Why is urban ag important to y'all?
It brings the food to the people and gives them an opportunity to see how things are grown.
How do y'all show up in this urban ag movement, especially in Detroit?
Listening to the elders, those that have come before us, and used to hear a lot about the Detroit Renaissance. The people of the communities have been doing work for years. I don't want to come here to change things, but build with them.
How's it like working with your bro?
I've always been able to follow in his footsteps growing up all my life because he's my big bro, and it's nice to walk alongside him and work alongside him now.
We get to learn from each other and grow with each other.